The road ahead.
Traveling is fun and exciting, but packing for your trip can be a real pain,
But I keep
especially if you have a lot of clothes.
and every step.
AIRDOT is a portable luggage compressor that makes packing easier. To get started, place your clothes into an AIRDOT compression bag, connect power to the AIRDOT, and then press the button.
'Cause I get up and I may fall.
In less than 5 minutes, you can free up to 70% more space in your suitcase, so you can take more clothing and items with you on your trip.
Yeah, I get up and I may fall.
AIRDOT compression bags are made from a special embossed material that makes it faster to shrink clothes and fit inside your suitcase. And AIRDOT compression bags can maintain their seal for your entire trip. AIRDOT compression bags are very versatile. You can use them with the AIRDOT compressor, a regular vacuum cleaner, or you can roll them up to remove the air out of the bag. AIRDOT is travel friendly and can be left in checked luggage because it has no internal batteries. You can power the AIRDOT with either portable batteries or external power sources. AIRDOT is lightweight, convenient, and a great travel companion. Get out there and travel, have fun, and stop worrying about what you're going to take with you. Use the portable luggage compressor that makes traveling easier. AIRDOT.